Mother Teresa very well said, "Only humility leads us to unity, and unity leads to peace." Here, I must add that when we are united, we care about each other. Unity cannot exist without caring. Caring has to be a part of everybody's attitude to achieve unity. Welcome to Joy of Learning Diaries, Chapter 9, Unity and Caring. Caring and unity comes as the result of empathy. We see unity in our family. All have different perspectives, different goals, different attitudes, but still we are one. And yes, respect each other and care for each other. We see unity in a cricket team like any other team. Someone is a good batsman, someone is a bowler, and someone is a wicket-keeper. They all understand and respect the individual strengths and qualities, and that is how the team wins. Unity is in Joy of Learning sessions, which brings hope, patience, peace, and happiness. It is a platform where we respect, cooperate, trust, and care for each other. If we talk about a teacher and a student relationship, then a teacher plays a very important role. She is the anchor who creates a caring atmosphere. Teaching the values like caring or unity should start at early years of childhood. Some of the things the children are not inborn with, they need to be taught, and they only learn by observing and watching. So the teacher's job becomes very, very important. The minute a child realizes that a teacher really cares, then the child changes and gets ready to listen and learn, as children are great observers. More than academics, it is these values which leads a human being to more peaceful and successful life. If these values are inculcated at early age, then it will make a lot of difference in the world and create adults of tomorrow. And the best way of inculcating values is through realization. Children really respond to reasoning. So if they understand why they have to do something, they will definitely do it. Not because you have asked them to do it, but because they feel the need to do it. While we teach values to our children, we should be very patient and should not try to see the results immediately. There is always a gap between your inputs and the response, but we should keep watering, as they will take it whenever they need it.